Good morning children. This is your craft class and today I am going to teach you how to decorate your diary, register or file. For that we need some materials. This is a trace paper, marble paper, some colorful papers, watercolor, some sketches, brush and scissor, glue and double tape and some thread that you have at your home. So first children, take trace paper and do it fold lengthwise and then after twist it like this. I am going to give a shape of tree, so that I am twist this one like this and half you cut it with scissor to give the shape of a stem like this. You cut your trace and then after you twist this one also and before pasting this one you cover your diary or register where you want to paste it. Take your cover file and with glue you can paste it nicely on your file. And the stems of tree also. You give a shape of tree and after that let it dry. Like this you paste it. Children, I had already done on a register, pasted this one nicely and colored also like this. Take brown color and color your tree with brown color and then after you shade it with dark brown color or black color. Now see nicely. This one I had done already and dried also. And after this we need colorful paper, and if you don't want any paste any photograph, then don't paste. You can make flower only simply with a sketch pen. Small flower you can draw and do it cut with your scissor. Colorful flowers, small colorful flowers like this, and in middle of this if you want to paste your family photograph, then take some passport size photograph and cut it in circle, make circle here and then cut it and paste on your flower. Otherwise, if you don't want to paste pictures, then paste any writing thing on the flower, like glass or some pearls. I had already done some flowers, see, with the faces. See, like this. And then after, we need to make some grass. For that, you take green color paper and cut it in grass shape. Like this, I had cut it grass and then paste it in down. Like this, you can paste your grass in down, and then after, now the time to decorate our tree with flowers. Simply take flower and paste it over the stems. And now children, see, I had completed my all flowers, see, and then after, need to decorate the border side. For border, you can take marble paper, or if you don't have marble paper, then take newspaper and roll it like this. From the corner, you make roll. Take little gum and then do it roll. Make a paper stick. Like this. Okay. Already I had done 4 sticks here according to the size of our register. And now I am pasting this stick in the border of our register. Now children, I had completed the border area also. See, red paper stick I had pasted in the border. And after that, this area you can paste the label of your register, diary or file. I am taking this thread to hang my labeling. And now children, see, this one is ready to hang in the family tree. I had made teacher's tree and I am hanging it in the branch, now see like this, and see my register is ready, and at last need to cover it with transparent plastic or saffron like this. I had done already this register, see. And if you have some family photographs or your own photographs, then also you can cut it and paste on your covered diary like collage like this. You can make collage. And if you want to hang it in your wall, then you take one hard cardboard, you cover it, and over this you can do it your family tree or anything that you want, or you can decorate it with pearls. Okay, now our children and all of you must do it. This is very easy, and you can use newspaper also, that is easily available at your home, and do it color nicely, and then make this craft. Okay, bye bye. This is your assignment.